This is our March 2021 Ipsy Glam bag. Ipsy Glam bag is $12 and it's a monthly subscription, and you will receive 5 deluxe sample size products, but sometimes you also get full size products. So here is our bag, and the theme is Stronger Together. The future is female. Now, as you can see the card, that's the theme. Stronger Together. The inside of the card tells us what's in my bag, and those are the informations about the products that we have. The first one that we have here is the MOTD Cosmetics Lay Down Looks. This is a brush, and this is a full size valued $12. The next one we have here is the Benefit Cosmetics Their Real Magnet Mascara, and this is a deluxe sample. So the full size of this one is 9 grams, and the retail price is $27, but this one is only 3 grams, so this is a tiny one. The color that we have, or received rather, is black, and this is how the bristles look like. And I like those kinds of brush. They're really good. They don't clump your lashes. Another one that we have here is the Milk Makeup Lip and Cheek in Work. This is a deluxe sample again, and the full size of this one is worth $28 for 1 ounce, and this one is only 0.21 ounce. Our fourth item is from Purely's Beauty. This is the Matcha Green Tea Antioxidant Priming Moisturizer. And again, this is a deluxe sample and the full size is 50 ml for $35. Now for our last item in the bag, we have here the Creme Shop Fusion Sheet Mask Duo in Peaches and Cream, and the other one is the Blueberry Banana. Now each mask is worth $3. The inside of the bag looks like this, and it says confidence comes from within. And there's the Ipsy logo, and it's red inside. So here's all our products for our March 2021 Ipsy Glam bag. The brush is already $12, so that covers the cost of the bag. And we have the 2 face masks, which is $3 each, so that's 6. And we'll just put a value of the deluxe sample products for $3 each also.